This is life, it's like an out of control ride. I don't know what I'm doing, yet I'm my own guide. Lots to face, but nowhere to run and hide. Gotta fight through this, gotta swallow my own pride. Life's like a box, no idea what's inside. Sometimes it's great, like you're at a lakeside. Sometimes it hurts, you're in the middle of a landslide. It ain't just me, this is happening worldwide. I must stay strong, my problems I must brush aside. My mind must be tough, should be fortified. My problems destroyed, my joy amplified. Keep my eyes open wide, take it all in my stride. Sometimes the good and bad must collide, but I know my truth, what I must decide. I know my heart, what lies deep inside. All the negativity I must simply override.